Guys are writing me all the time and they're asking me, Chef Buck, how do I get a girl? Well, I'll tell you how you get a girl. You bake a cake. But you just can't have it plain. You gotta dress it up. You gotta make it look fancy. And I'm not just talking about throwing some powdered sugar and some raspberries on there. It's gonna look nice, but guess what? That's not very original. Now, you can be too original. You can throw some pork and beans on there. Is it gonna be awesome? Hell yeah, it's gonna be awesome. But guess what? You're gonna be farting. And girls don't like to fart. You can throw a raspberry on there, even more awesome. But hey, you're still farting, right? So you still got a problem. What I recommend is a cream cheese frosting. A little soft cream cheese, soft butter. Throw some vanilla extract in there, boom, boom, boom with a blender. Throw in some powdered sugar, but just a little bit at a time. Blend it around. If it gets too thick, throw you a little bit of milk in there. And then, zoom, 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 and there you have it. It's some delicioso cream cheese frosting. Slather it over your cake, make it all nice and pretty. You want to throw some raspberries on there? Sure, why not? She's gonna be impressed. There you go. Boom. You're welcome.